In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update charts in PowerPoint from Excel automatically. This is a super useful skill, especially if you frequently work with data-driven presentations. Being able to update charts seamlessly ensures your presentations stay accurate and professional. Let's dive right in. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. If you already have a presentation, open it, or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. Next, navigate to the slide that contains a chart or graph you want to update. This could be a bar chart, pie chart, or any other data visualization. Once you're on the correct slide, right-click on the chart you want to update. From the menu that appears, select Edit Data. This action will open an Excel worksheet, which PowerPoint uses to manage the data behind your chart. Inside this Excel window, you'll see the data points that correspond to the chart's visuals. Now, make your updates in Excel, whether that's changing existing numbers, adding new entries, or removing old data. As you make edits, Excel automatically syncs the changes with PowerPoint. After you finish updating the data, simply close the Excel window. You'll notice that your PowerPoint chart updates instantly, reflecting the latest data from Excel. This built-in integration between PowerPoint and Excel is designed to save you time while maintaining accuracy and consistency across your projects. And that's it. You've now learned how to automatically update charts in PowerPoint from Excel. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to keep all your charts perfectly up to date and ready to impress your audience.